Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Transformer Architecture Explained. Part 1. Attention, the AI's superpower to focus. Imagine reading a really long sentence. Like the programmer, who had been working on the complex bug for hours, finally found the solution that made the entire system, previously crashing frequently, stable. As a human, you instinctively know which words are most important to understand who did what. Traditional AI models, however, often struggle with long sentences, sometimes forgetting the beginning by the time they reach the end. It's like trying to remember a long grocery list without writing anything down. The first items might fade from memory. Think about how you pay attention when someone asks you, "What did you eat for lunch?" Single quote. Your brain doesn't weigh every single word in the question equally. You quickly focus on eat and lunch. This ability to selectively concentrate on relevant information, filtering out the noise, is a fundamental human superpower. We want to give AI this same power. In AI, attention is a brilliant mechanism that allows a model to weigh the importance of different parts of its input data, like words in a sentence, when processing a specific part of that data, instead of just reading words one after another without distinguishing their importance. The AI learns to shine a spotlight on the most relevant words, giving them more focus and influence over its current task. It's like highlighting key phrases in a document. Older AI models, like recurrent neural networks, RNNs, had a bottleneck problem. They tried to compress all the information from a long input sequence into a single, fixed size, thought, or context vector. This was like trying to summarize a whole book into one tweet. A lot of detail got lost. Attention breaks this bottleneck by allowing the AI to directly look back at any part of the original input whenever it needs to, no matter how long the sequence, without losing information. From a developer's perspective, you can think of attention as a smart lookup system. For every word the AI is currently processing, it calculates a score or weight for every other word in the input sentence. These scores indicate how relevant each word is to the current word. Higher scores mean more attention. It's like a sophisticated if-then statement or a dynamic search function that tells the AI, when I'm looking at word X, these other words, Y, Z, etc., are particularly important right now. Attention isn't just about individual words. It's about their relationships. Consider the bank was flooded, so we couldn't access the money. Here, bank refers to a financial institution. Now, the riverbank was muddy after the rain. Here, bank refers to the side of a river. Attention allows the AI to understand this difference by dynamically focusing on money in the first sentence and river in the second, thereby grasping the correct context and meaning of bank in each case. It weaves a web of contextual understanding. Attention isn't just a neat trick. It's the fundamental building block of the transformer architecture. This architecture is what powers most of the incredible large language models, LLMs, you hear about today, like ChatGPT. Without attention, transformers wouldn't be able to process and understand the complex nuances of human language over long stretches of text. It's the engine that enables their deep comprehension and generation capabilities. In summary, attention is an AI superpower because it allows models to 1. Handle very long sequences of data. 2. Understand complex relationships between distant words or elements. 3. Capture the full context of information. And 4. Essentially, think more intelligently by focusing its computational resources where they are most needed. This capability is what transformed AI from struggling with basic sentences to generating creative, content and holding coherent conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.